Good morning, children. Today we will learn grammar topic, another grammar topic, articles. So till now we have learned question tags and also degrees of comparison. Hope you understood both topics. So another one more topic, articles. Okay, this is not a new topic, right? Articles. Since I think 4th standard, 5th standard you have been studying and learning. So here in this class you are going to learn little bit more. Okay. All the but three things are same. What are those? Can you remember? What are articles? A and the. So in English we have only 3 articles. Okay, what is this article? Article is a word which is used to modify a noun. Right, where we will keep the articles, just will place before the noun. Right, it may be material noun or abstract noun or countable or uncountable, whatever it may be, but we will place a article before the noun. Right, so we have 2 types of articles. What are those? Definite article and indefinite article. Definite article means, so to show the specific certain noun. If you are sure about that, only one thing is that, you are very sure, confident about the specifically, if you are pointing a noun which is very specific, then we can use the article the, the. So we have only one definite article. So we can point the nouns whether it may be plural or singular, we can use the. So in order to point group also we can use the article, but it should be specific. Okay, specific nouns, it may be groups of nouns or singular noun or plural noun we can use. Okay, we will go in depth, just I am giving the introduction part. After that we will go in each point wise where we have to use, where we should not use the article, that and all I am going to teach you. Just I am giving the introduction. Next, what about the indefinite article? We had 2 indefinite articles. What are those? A and an. I think already you might have heard about a and an. So a article is used to show to point the nouns which are starting with the sound consonant, not vowel sound, right? But it should be, what is the condition? It should be singular noun. Okay, a article is used to point a noun which starts with the consonant sound and it should be singular. So whether it may start with vowel letter or not, we are not bothered about that, but so it should be singular and it should give consonant sound. It may start with the vowel letter but not with the vowel sound. Okay, then only we can use the indefinite article a before the singular noun. Remember, not plural noun, just to point a singular noun and it should start with the consonant sound. Don't think that just vowel letter is there, so we have to, we should not use. So it doesn't mean that if vowel letter is there but still it is giving consonant sound, then we can use article a. Remember, but it should be singular noun. So I am stressing consonant sound, not the consonant letter. Remember, consonant sound, it should give consonant sound but not consonant letter. Don't bother about that. Sound is important here. And so one more condition is singular. Remember, then we can use article, indefinite article a. Then what about an? Where we have to use an? So an, as is opposite to a, even but only one is similar characteristic of a, that is an is used only to mention the or to point a noun which gives vowel sound. So you don't need to bother whether the letter is starting with consonant letter or not. We are not bothering about that. It may start with consonant letter, but if it is giving vowel sound, for example, our, H-O-U-R, our, H is consonant, right? but still how we are pronouncing, we are not pronouncing H, we are giving the sound of vowel, hour. So an hour, that's why we will use an hour. But the condition is it should be singular, but not plural. Remember, it should be singular. So what is the condition for using an article? So an article we will use before the words which are starting with vowel sound. If the letters are giving, the word is giving vowel sound, irrespective of whether the word begins with a vowel letter or a consonant, but just concentrate the sound of the word, whether it is giving vowel sound or consonant sound. So example I told, hour, honor, honorable, H is silent, but A we are stressing A sound, vowel sound, okay, like that. So these are the simple articles, 3 articles, that is the, a and an. So a and an are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Okay, after that we will go in depth of this articles. Till now you have clarity, you got the clarity, right? And so many conditions are there in order to use the articles, especially the, where we have to use the definite article. Okay, so many. For example, if you are talking about particular great person, Pope, the Prime Minister, the celebrities, if you are addressing celebrities, Prime Minister, the Prime Minister, we have to use before that the Prime Minister. Okay, then the teacher, specific, these are specifically we are, because there will be only you are addressing, if you are addressing a person specifically, then we have to use the before that celebrity. The editor, the doctor, the lawyer, any other thing, the manager. If it is specific, then we have to use the before that name, before that noun. These are all nouns, right? Common nouns. Next, if you are talking about geographical things, what are the geographical things that first comes in my sky? When you look here up above, what will you see? Sky, the sky. That is very specific. There are no so many skies or there are only one sky we can see. So that is specific. The bird is flying in sky, not in the sky, because the sky only we are specifying exactly. Even earth also, the earth, the earth, like that. Okay. Then next point, if you see, if you are talking about rivers, that is also geographical, no? The river, the Kaveri river. Okay, we can use like this. Mountains, okay, the Mount Everest, the Himalayas, the Himalayas. We can use, but if we are Mount Everest, we can't use the Mount Everest because that is only singular thing. But Himalayas, it is a range. It means the range means what? It is not only single mountain, right? It is a range like this will be there. So when we are talking about the mountain range, then we can use the article the before that mountain, in the name of the mountain range. Okay, any river you can specify like this. All the geographic, oceans, next seas, islands, the Mauritius island, any island, the Atlantic Ocean, the Amazon river, like that, any, the Panama canals, lakes, all the geographical things, if you are using, then remember we have to use the article before that, and don't forget to put the capital letter of that name. Next, so geographical things. Next, newspapers. If you are talking about newspapers, names of newspaper. Hindu newspaper, the Hindu. Next, the Times of India. Any newspaper name if you take, so we have to use the before the newspaper names. And if you are talking about buildings, specific building names will be there, no, and you know that building very well. For example, Taj Mahal. You know Taj Mahal, no? Buildings. So we can put it in this category, buildings. The Taj Mahal. Hotel names also. The Taj Hotel is there, right? Hotel names. Next, buildings. Not only that, any hotel names also. The Taj Hotel. Any restaurant names. Hotels, restaurant. Like this we can use. If you are talking about organizations, okay, for example, organizations you are talking, then what are the organizations? Organizations means what? Some group. Organization means when the group of people gather and make one company, then we can call it as, example, we can say the United Nations. UNO, you know, right? United Nations, UNO, United Nations. Next, USA, the USA. You can use the UK. Abbreviations, all abbreviations we can use this. I will tell you how to use the abbreviation. Before the abbreviations how to use, that also I will tell you whether we have to use the or not, but here we have to use. Where we should not use, that also I will tell you. This understood, no? Organizations. And if you are talking about families, family names will be there, no? What are the family names? If you want to say Obamas, the any names, any family name we can take. The Obamas, the Samuels, means the families. Jacks, the Jacksons. There will be only one person, but we are adding yes to that. If your name also you can put and add yes. Means it belongs to your father name, you can put and add yes. It means that entire family members comes under that group. That's what we will give. And but is only one, right? So here we can use the families. Okay, like that we can use the. And if you are talking about the systems or service, system or service, it means that what? It may be hospitals, right, or transport system. Example, we can take train, the bus. Then police system means here we can take it as police, the police, we can use the police. And here the train, the bus, the radio, we can use all medias, the radio, like this. Remember this. Okay, service or any police system, the hospital, like that we can use. And one more thing, important thing is musical instrument. Musical instruments. How to use this musical instruments? Remember, we have to use the article before the musical instrument. For example, the guitar. What are the instruments? The keyboard, right? The what is that? Violin, piano. Where, remember, wherever the musical instrument comes, you don't forget to keep the before the musical instrument. If you are talking about he plays the piano, she is learning the guitar, like that. Okay, like that. These are the things where we have to use the definite article, and like that so many are there. I will tell you, not only this. And what about the superlative degrees? Okay, superlative degrees we know, right, where we have to use the for all superlatives. All superlatives we have to use. For example, the, already I told no while explaining the degrees of comparisons, we have to use in the superlative degree, we will use the, right. The best, then the tallest, the biggest, like that. Anything we can use, all the superlative things we can use the. This we have to remember. Anywhere, wherever you got, you can write. But here simple one thing I want to say, if you are using comparative degree also, then also under cases also we can use the. But how to use? See, simple example I will tell you. I like the bigger one. I like the bigger one. Actually, bigger is the comparative form, right? But why you are using the? But here it means that, remember carefully, listen carefully. When you are comparing two things, for example, in front of you, two things, I mean, like this they kept. Anything we may think this is a chocolate. Imagine that is a chocolate or anything. Okay. Only two things are being kept in front of you, A1 and A2, two things. Imagine they don't have the name. So, at that time you can say, I like the bigger one, the, because here there is no other thing. Only two things have been kept in front of you when we are comparing the two things. So, and this is called bigger one. And this is called, here we can take smaller one. If you are liking this, you can write, I like the smaller one, like this. Don't think that this is a comparative form, so we can't use the. But in such cases, specific cases, we can use the, we have to use the when we are comparing like this. Actually, here comparison is not happening. Just we are choosing our option. Just we are giving our option. So, in such case, we can use. Understood? And also nationalities, very, very important thing. Another one where we have to use this, the articles, definite articles. Nationalities, if you are talking about the nationalities, for example, Indian. Okay, all things, Japanese, what are the nationalities? The Japanese, Americans, right? Pakistanis, Germans, we can take British. In such cases, we can use the articles. Understood? But the nationality, one important thing remember here, that have the plural form we can use the. Okay, the where we can use which have the plural form. Then only we can use, plural form means what? Indians, Americans, yes is there. Then only we can use the. But if though